Good morning, friends and family. No. It's afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock or a little bit later. Yeah, today is April the 5th. Yeah, April the 5th, 2025. It's snowing out there, just like they said it would. Visibility's down. And that wind is like 45 to 50 miles an hour. I guess we're having a mini blizzard. I don't know. I got my little cowl on, the one I made, to keep my neck warm. I got my little heater going here. Yeah. And I wanted to come on here and show you how I'm coming with my cowl. This is called the One Skein Cowl by Purple Poncho. I'll link it down in the description below. And yeah, let me put you down so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Today I'm using a Prim 4.5 millimeter. Can you see that? I'm thinking the writing on this camera is all backwards. I don't like that too much. I gotta figure that out. I'm doing something wrong. I need to hit a button and straighten that out. Yes, I do. But I was using a wooden hook. And then I decided, no, I'm going to try this Prim. This Prim works real well with this yarn too. This is, and I'm sorry, the words are backwards. This is Premier Dotty yarn. 100% acrylic. You can read the stats on it. This is what it looks up, knitted up. Let me pull it back a little. But of course, we're crocheting it today. And that is not what it is going to look like. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And I'm currently on row 13. I need to do up through 18, and then I won't be in this repeated pattern. Yeah. So anyway, I wanted to come on here and tell y'all that it did come to fruition. The snow, the blizzard, you can't see out there. Oh, I let both the dogs out there this morning. And it wasn't snowing that bad when I let them out, but it was a little bit. Friends, those dogs disappeared and I almost never got them back. I don't know where they went. I guess they were out there playing in the snow. I'm thinking. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get this cowl finished. So I didn't think I was going to be able to wear these cowls till next fall, but I'm going to get to wear them today, okay? Let's see if I got that where it doesn't. Yeah, I think you guys can see okay. Like I said, I really like this little recording iPad. I can get pretty close up. I might even be able to manage a tutorial out of this iPad. I don't know. But it's definitely something I'm gonna remember. I've never really done a tutorial, but I believe I probably could manage. And I've just been sitting here this morning crocheting, working on this little cowl, sitting here looking out the window at the snow. Now, it's not real big flakes, okay, but it's a lot of them, and it's forceful because of that wind. And that wind is just right out of the north, friends. So the temperature is 34 and the wind chill is 24, if that tells you anything. So when I'm talking, I still have to think when I'm doing this pattern and make absolutely sure I do it right. Because I don't want to rip out and have to go back and repeat a row. And if I come upon a stitch that I did not do correctly, I will go back and fix it. So, I hear from y'all on my comments. Some of y'all are having to run your air conditioners up in West Virginia and Arizona, and here we are with our heaters on and my little room heater on. I'm sitting here looking at the snow out there. It's definitely a little winter surprise, okay? Spring surprise. Sorry, it is spring. It has been for a few weeks, and I guess the weather doesn't realize it's spring. And I know we don't have it that bad. Really, friends, it's not going to be a problem here. I mean, the sun's going to be out tomorrow. It's going to be above freezing. All the snow will melt. It'll be fine. And I've got my fingers crossed that I will be able to make it to Lubbock come Monday to my doctor's appointment. And the only reason I wouldn't is if these roads are impassable out here. So I'm sure hoping that doesn't happen. And thank y'all for telling me what you're working on. It's just very interesting hearing that. I love to read about that. I wish I had a crochet buddy close by here. Excuse me, my nose is itching this morning. Yeah. I wish I had a crochet buddy that lived close by. But I don't. So y'all are my crochet buddies, okay? I do have y'all. And if you're new here, I want to welcome you. If returning viewer, welcome back. I want to thank y'all for giving me a chance. Yeah. So that's how that is turning out. So that is what I'm doing today. I got up this morning and I fixed my hubby some pancakes. Actually, I fixed myself a pancake and put a piece of sausage in it and rolled it up like that and just had that for breakfast. No syrup, no nothing else on it. So that was my breakfast. And let's see, what else did I have? Actually, that's all I've had. It's time for lunch, but I'm not really hungry, so I did fix my husband some leftover gumbo that I fixed the other day for him. He loves that stuff. Me, not so much. I will probably fix myself a salad later. I am not feeling my best today. I did not hardly sleep last night, okay? It was, well, I'll tell you what I did. I put on a crock pot full of pinto beans last night. I cut up some peppers and put in it, mild peppers, and an onion, and some chili powder, some smoked paprika, some cumin, some garlic powder. No, that was the garlic. Some onion powder and some granulated onions. And the pinto beans. And I put that at 6:30. I put that on high. And I kept thinking about it and coming in here and checking it here and there. Yeah, that's one reason I didn't sleep well. And then Zoe was in because of the snow and it rained. It rained all night last night. All evening yesterday and all night last night. And then it turned to this gusty blizzard looking low visibility snow out there. this morning. But anyway, she was in and she had to go out and potty. But she didn't want to go out in the rain and potty. So she would come in there on my husband's side of the bed, then come on my side of the bed, telling us that she had to go out. You would get up and try to let her out, and she would look out there and wouldn't go out. So I got her all settled back down, and she would do the same thing, poor girl. Finally, after about 12:30 midnight, I finally got her to go out. And then I waited about 20 minutes, and then I went out to try to find her. I didn't go out, but I opened the door and stepped out on the edge of the patio and called and called. Finally, I found her out in the front yard. It's hard to see, but that was her, and I got her back in the house. Got her settled back down. And the last time I got up to check on the beans was 2 o'clock in the morning. And then I dozed off to sleep, and I woke up at 4:30 this morning, the very hour the beans were supposed to be done and to be turned off. So I got up and checked the beans, and they were perfect, so I turned them off. Oh, it was a night, okay? I finally went back to sleep. Let's see, wait, I'm doing that wrong. And then I woke up at 7:10, and I just got back up. What a night that was. So I'm not myself today at all, really. I hope I sleep good tonight. Okay, my friends. Well, this is, like I said, I have this much to go before I get to, let's see, let me turn that up. This much to go before I get row 13 done, and then I will be on to 14. So yeah, friends, I just wanted to come on here and yeah, show ya the cowl I'm making. So I'm just crocheting and having fun, friends. What are y'all doing? All right, it is Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I hope you have a great rest of your evening. I'm going to bring this to a close. It's a shorter video, but that's okay. Shorts are good too. So I'll catch you next time. You'll see me when you see me, friends. I'll be done with that next time. Okay, friends, till next time. Stay safe, stay warm. God loves you. I love you. Be kind to others. Put others first. Catch you next time. Bye.